Hey you guys, so this is the one conversation that I was talking to somebody about as a flight attendant. Yes, we do fly all over the place, but the one thing that a lot of times people don't understand, we spend more time prepping than actual time that we may spend in flight. On an average, we spend so much time prepping, unless you are doing international long distance trips. And so tonight is a night that I actually have to be prepared for tomorrow. They say piss poor preparation is part of the reason that we fail. So tomorrow I don't have an extremely long day, but the one thing I do not want to do is get in the air or get to the airport and I'm like, what am I going to eat? And I'm spending so much money. This is another way that you stay on track with your budget. And for me, I always tell people I work out pretty much at least 5 days a week, if not 7. I do some type of activity, and you can work out all you want, but the major piece is what you eat and what you actually drink. So all day today, since I've been free, I have been doing my ISO detox tea. For those who may not know, some of you do know, I've been a part of this company for now 10 years, and today was the day that I said I'm going to go ahead and drink my tea, but I have to get up really early in the morning, so at some point, like now, I had to stop drinking the tea because I do have to go to work and I got to be strapped into my seat also. But the other thing is, I don't want to be in the airport like, eating all crazy. So I am pescatarian, so I'm going to be fixing salmon. This is so I can get my protein in. This is from a local grocery store, basically a part of Kroger's, but I'm going to have this whole piece. I'm going to season it and everything and make sure that I'm getting my protein in. Also, how many of y'all prepare for your day? Many times when we slip up, it's because we're not prepared for the day. The other thing I'm going to do is boil some eggs. I like scrambled eggs. I like boiled eggs. So I'm probably going to do like 2 or 3 different eggs. Probably like 3. So it'll be the salmon, the eggs, and then I have found these. I can't remember the brand. I'm going to have to share it. Maybe I'll post a picture if it's on here. These are veggie burgers, and they have the beans. So when you see those little black, those are the black beans in here, and they taste so good. I do not have to doctor them up. So these might be something quick. We have one long location. I'll just say one going and one coming back. So it'll be some point in time on this, cross-country transportation for these passengers. I'm going to want a snack, but then I also want to make sure I have something else. I do not want to be off track. Now, it's kind of late, so I don't know if I will juice, but I do have apples, so I might just bring an apple, cut it up. And this is like, when you're improvising, you figure it out. When you are meal prepping, you find all these variations of how to stay healthy without, having a budget that you can't afford. People think that eating healthy can be very expensive. Not when you master it. Everything I have was very inexpensive. I usually do my apples for juicing, but I'm not going to juice tonight. But I'll cut this apple up, rinse it off, cut it up, and then I'll bring some peanut butter, or either I also have like a little bit of caramel or caramel that I can do it. I think I'll opt for the peanut butter, but I do not want to sabotage my day. I won't be bringing this with me, but I will have plenty of water. Orange is my favorite color, so I'll probably leave out with water, but we also have water on the plane. So if you want to continue to have results and great success on your health and your fitness journey, I have to get up like 3 o'clock in the morning. It's really late, but I want to win. I want to keep winning. I want to physically win, mentally win. So why would I sleep on my success by not prepping? So I'm spending this little bit of time to prep, so tomorrow I won't be looking all lost, buying things in the airport that's either going to be overpriced, not healthy for me, just improvising. And now I've wrecked my whole day when I could have been prepared for the day. All right, y'all. Just get yourself prepared, and over time you will start to, as my man E.T. said, you will start to habit stack. Have an amazing night. The only other thing I'm going to do, I had to take a nap today. I'm not a huge napper, but it was super warm in my work state and it was kind of draining. I went and worked out. And by the time I got done, my body was like, we need a nap, which was so good. But I'm going to do a little quick face mask while I'm cooking. This is like a mango face mask. It's going to be very cooling to my skin. It has a little vitamin C. We got to take care of our skin. We only got one skin, one body to live in, so you got to take care of it. All right, y'all. Make sure you're prepared. Have a great night.